Something really scary just happened.
It's adorable though.
Yes.
It's scary but adorable.
Yeah, the baby just started calling for its mom.
Why is the window cracked open?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's fine. Probably my grandpa opened it so that way we have to see down. Do not tell Grandpa about this. He will literally murder the puppy.
Okay, I'm not doing it. Will he murder the baby too?
I don't think so. I mean, he might because it'll grow into a full.
Wait a minute. What? Yeah.
Should tell Grandma.
Let's go get your mom.
All right, you run and grab her.
I don't know where she is. I don't know around this place.
Okay.
Come on.
Somebody needs to stay and watch, and I will because I'm the stronger one. Just follow the path all the way up there, and then you'll be able to see them. Okay?
Let's both go and then see what happens when the baby. Wait, how about we leave my tablet there and then like record it? We can set it up on something. And the tablet can watch the baby. You guys can watch it. I'm going. Yes, I am totally uploading every single one of these parts. Even though when I make something with like a bunch of parts, I never upload it.
Do you really want me to pet him?
No, don't.
I'll hold his muzzle down and pet him. Okay. It looks like.
Nope, don't do it.
Okay. You're right.
We need to somehow set my tablet up.
We could set it up right here against the tire, and then it'll videotape him. No, not like that.
Yeah, I mean, just that's like perfect.
Yeah, but we don't have anything to lean it up against, except for that, and that's gonna fall over. We could prop it up like this. Here. Oh, that doesn't do anything. So freaking adorable.
I know, my screen is even dirtier. You see that little guy?
So cute.
Look at him. We should go over to your mom and upload these videos. Like, right now.
You can upload them right now if you want. I really want to pet him. Should I hold down his head and then pet him?
No. Nice little baby. No.
He's so soft. He's so soft.
It's probably something you're going to see once in a lifetime.
That's how they got in there. That is how they came through the hole.
Oh. Yeah.
He's so cute. Oh my god, I think I'm going to cry. He's so cute.
Okay, let's go to your mom.
He's demon though. Okay, just follow the. I want to stay here with him just in case the mama comes back.
No. Mama can come back. She abandoned him.
That's right. Okay.
We should take care of him. What if we should take him home to my house or your house? We should put him in like a little plastic bag.
Not a plastic bag. That's just cruel.
He'll just break it with a claws.
Yeah. All right. We're going to start running in 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, I'm following you since I don't know where I'm going. Bye, baby. We'll see you soon. Where is she? See her? Go. We'll close it back up when we leave.
We tore it apart.
little flap.
Can I rip that? Guys, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this has been the best day of my life.
Yeah.
A mama and two little baby deer that might have been born like night before last. We saw little bitty baby ducks, and today we're seeing baby raccoons.
We saw these little bitty baby ducks by a donut shop. They were just walking around in the donut shop.
Because the Taylor's duck park is over down the street. But there's no duck park over here. Especially no raccoon park.
Yeah.
So cute. And I can't believe, I don't know if the mom...
Look, it's opened up. Is that a deer tree you're holding it open?
No. It's just really thin wire that you can't really see from far away.
Oh yeah, I can see the wire now. Come on, we need to run.
When your mom forgot about us.
Hi.
Oh my god. This has been the best day of my life.
I know what you would do if your mom left us.
I would...
Go tell your grandpa.
No. No. You.
What the spider? Oh. The giant flying four-legged spider. Here. Come on. Just hop it. Just throw your leg on the other side. No, not there.
I can just go through this little gap.
Just open the gate. Wait. There. Okay, open. Let me tell him. I'll have the camera now. Guys, we can pause it. Talk to her mom. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys.